It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
You can be a lot of different things when you grow up. You can. And I know there's things that you're already interested in. This is a book called ABC, What Can He Be? Boys can be anything they want to be from A to Z. What can you be? Follow along through the alphabet to discover some of the amazing things that any boy can be when he grows up. The world is full of possibilities. A is for astronaut. He blasts into outer space to explore new worlds. B is for ballet dancer. He gracefully dances with leaps and turns. He is so flexible and strong. C is for carpenter. He uses his tools to build tall buildings and furniture. D is for director. He works with writers, actors, and cameras to make movies and TV shows. Lights, camera, action! E is for environmental engineer. He builds new things to make sure our air and water stay clean. F is for fashion designer. He designs clothing and uses fabric to bring his creations to life. G is for geologist. He studies rocks and minerals to learn how the earth changes over time. H is for horse trainer. He patiently teaches horses to trot, gallop, and jump when asked. Giddy up! I is for inventor. He creates new things to make our lives better, easier, and more fun. J is for jet pilot. He flies through the air at top speed, sometimes faster than the speed of sound. K is for karate instructor. He teaches students to defend themselves with martial arts. Hi-ya! L is for lawyer. He understands the law and helps protect the rights of others. M is for marine biologist. He studies the plants and animals that live in the ocean and teaches about their natural habitats. N is for nurse. He keeps us healthy and helps us feel better when we are sick. O is for Olympic athlete. He competes against athletes from around the world to promote unity and friendship.
3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Gold, silver, bronze. P is for police officer. He makes sure everyone follows the law and protects us when we need help. Q is for quantum physicist. He studies the tiniest things that make up our planet, like atoms and subatomic particles. R is for race car driver. He zooms around the track at top speeds, zipping around other drivers to win the race. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. And what shape is that?
Star.
Yeah, it's a star. S is for singer. He entertains others with his beautiful voice. Will you sing?
C, O, A, B, C, D. Time for the B.
Good. T is for teacher. He shares his knowledge, teaching the students all about the world. U is for urban planner. He designs buildings, roads, and parks to create good communities. V is for video game designer. He designs characters and make-believe worlds to create exciting new video games. W is for welder. He uses a super hot blowtorch to build machines, buildings, bridges, and more. X is for xenobiologist. He studies life forms that may exist elsewhere in the universe. Y is for yoga instructor. He teaches yoga poses to keep our bodies flexible and strong. Z is for zoo veterinarian. He looks after the animals at the zoo to keep them happy and healthy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You've seen different things that you can be from A to Z, but there are so many other possibilities. From astronaut to director to nurse and welder, the only limit is your imagination. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Elmo.
You want to be Elmo? Elmo is a child like you. A child can learn and try many different things. And when you find something you really love, keep learning everything you can and you will get better. You'll use all your skills to be the best person you can be. And if you make other people happy and feel loved, you will make a difference in the world. And that is the best possible thing you can be. I'm Carmabela Sunshine, and I hope you enjoyed this book as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a family you think will enjoy it too.
Bye-bye.